Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Android 10 or higher and at least 1 GB free, because themes and widgets need space. Install an iOS-style launcher and matching icon pack from the Play Store so you get the home layout and app grid. Once done, grant launcher permissions and set it as default. This changes navigation immediately. If you plan to sideload an iPhone-style control app, enable unknown sources and back up your current launcher settings first to avoid losing layouts. You now recreate the iPhone look. Configure the dock with 4 fixed icons and use the launcher grid to match spacing. Install a Control Center app and give it overlay, accessibility, and notification access so swipes produce quick toggles and media controls. This is why permissions matter. Add a lock screen app that supports widget-like modules, then place iPhone-style clock and weather widgets on the home screen. Make sure notification badges are enabled in the launcher so you see counts like on iPhone. You finish by refining gestures and system behaviors. Map swipe up for home and swipe down to open Control Center, then adjust font size, sounds, and haptic feedback to match iPhone feel. Make sure app notification styles and badges are allowed. This preserves the visual cues you expect. If something breaks, clear the launcher cache first, then reset the launcher layout or revoke and regrant permissions. This fixes overlay and accessibility conflicts. Finally, reboot the phone to apply all changes and confirm everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.